let's dive into the essentials section, where we cover the important information that will set you up for a smooth start here at the University of Chester. In this section, we focus on everything you need to know before and after you arrive in the UK. We'll kick off with a short preparedness survey, which will ask you to fill in the start and end of the course. Then, we will look at the International Students Checklist, a handy guide to help you to stay on top of everything from documents to important deadlines. Next, we will talk about finding accommodations and preparing your move to the UK. Whether you're staying on campus or looking for private housing, we will give you on the tips you need to settle in smoothly. Once you're here, registering with a GP is super important for your health and well-being. We'll guide you through how to do that easily. We'll also cover travel and transport. Getting around the UK might be a bit different from what you are used to, so we'll share the best ways to navigate your new city and beyond. For your arrival, your first night in the UK offers practical advice from current students to help you to feel at home from day one. And finally, there's money management. We'll give you the budgeting tips and information on handling UK currency and managing your finance while you're studying here. Each of these topics is designed to give you the confidence and know how to make your transition as smooth as possible.